Hi Canvaholics, my name is Heena and I welcome you all to this YouTube channel.
Subscribe now.
This introduction part is 100% edited using Canva. All these transitions, all the sound effects are added in Canva itself. Don't believe me? Let's go ahead and check it out how I did it so that you can even do it. Let's go. So now we are here on the dashboard screen of Canva and here we are on the home tab. So let's go ahead and create a design. Since we are going to create a video, so let's go ahead and choose a video. So I'll click on this button and search for video. So let's go ahead and search for video. And the moment you select video, you will be taken to this page wherein you can create your video. So over here, I will now upload my video which I want to edit with Canva. So I'll go to uploads and on videos, I'll see all the videos which I have. So this is the video which I want to use. So once you have added the video, just right click on it and set video as background. Now this video is added as a background. The next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into different parts, like I'm going to split it into different parts so that accordingly I can add the text transitions or anything else, like any movements, any sound effects which I want to add. So first thing is I'll split it. So let me just hear it once so that I can split it accordingly. So what I'm planning to do is for first few words, like I showed you, for first few words in the intro, like you just saw, in the first few words, I want, when I'm saying those words, that specific title should appear. So let's go ahead and do it. So first I'll play. Hi Canvaholics, my name is Heena Sheikh. So if you can see, it says Hi Canvaholics. Okay, so I'll just trim it. Hi Canva. So up to high, I'll now press S. When you press S, it's gonna split this into two. If you can see, it just splitted it into two. Hi. Okay, so high is now a single clip and rest is together. So let's now split them into different parts. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Since I'm planning to add few different transitions, wherever you want to add different transitions, like I want to add Canva logo in between this video, so you have to accordingly split it. Okay, so your video can be different. So when you hear your video, wherever you want some text to appear, wherever you want something to happen, like some kind of transitions or something, according to that, split it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I have completed the splitting part. The next part is to add the titles. So let's go ahead and do it. So in the very first part, what I'm going to do is, in this high part of this video, I want to add text high in different part of the video. So let's do it. So I'll press T in my keyboard to add text. So if you can see, we have just added a text. I'll just bring it over here, resize it and add high like this. Okay. So for the first one, we are adding high over here. I'll resize it like this, place it over here, one over here, like this. Just in different sizes, place it. Something like this. Let's add one more high over here and let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, I feel I'm happy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll just play this clip and see how it looks. Hi Canva. Okay, so that high is appearing and I feel it's good. So I don't want to animate anything in this clip. So I'll just keep that high as it is. And in the second clip over here, I want to add Canvaholics because that's what I'm saying. So again, I'll press T in the keyboard and this time I'll type Canvaholics. Like this. And I'm gonna make it all caps. So if you click over here, you'll see this, make it all caps. And then I'm gonna change the font. So I'll choose Open Sans. You can choose any font of your choice like this, and I'll change its color to white so that it appears, because I'm wearing black, I want it to be in white. And I want to add some depth, some shadow or some depth to this Canvaholic text. So I'll click on effects and I'll choose lift and I'll increase the intensity. So this is what I want to be over here. Okay, so now if I go ahead and play it, hi Canvaholics. Okay, it looks good to me. Now in this slide, what I'm saying is my name is. So now I want to add that text in a stylish way, like in a different way. Like I'll just align it in a different way. So I'll just press T again, and this time let's add my. My name is. I'll just take this my over here, and I'll again select this. Let's not select that. Let's select Open Sans bold, and I'll again make it all caps. Okay, so my, then the next text is name. I'll make it a bit bigger, place it in such a way. It's totally up to you how you want to position your text. I'll do it in this way, and then I want S. Okay, so I am liking this, so I'll keep it in this way itself. So yeah, I'll just play it again. Hi Canvaholics, my name is. Okay, so I'm liking it, and then the next thing is over here I want to add the text Heena shake. So for that I'll use rectangle. When you press R in your keyboard, you'll get a rectangle. So I'll just resize it like this, minimize like this. I'm just gonna resize it, and I'll change its color. So you can change its color to anything. So I'll change it to this blue, maybe this blue, whatever blue you like. And then I'm gonna press T, and here I'll write Heena. I'll again make it all caps, choose the different font, and I'll maybe make it italics or so, and decrease the line spacing, letter spacing. And let's change its color to white. So when you click on this A, you can change the color to white, and I'll place it over here. Okay, so let's resize this. I'll make it small, and it's done. So this is Heena, and I want another, like I'll just group it. When you select both, just draw a rectangle like this. Both will be selected, and then press Command plus G or Control plus G in your keyboard to group it. So now I have grouped this Heena. I'll again press R to add another rectangle, and I'll resize it, and I'll add this below the previous one like this, and I'm gonna make it a bit bigger and change its color to white. And this time I want to add text, and this time the text is SHEIKH. And when you click on the three dots, you will see this small little copy style. When you click on copy style, and if you copy this, just a moment, okay, so now I wanna make it all caps. So I'll click on this three dot, make it all caps, come over here, again select this font and change its color to white, and then reduce the letter spacing. Okay, not this time, not white, we need to select some different color. So I'll select this blue, because white is not gonna appear on white. So yeah, like this we are gonna make it. Okay, so I'll just resize it a bit, and just position it. Okay, so I feel this is good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this two together. Let's group it all together, because when my name appears, I want it to appear together, not Heena first and then shake second. So I'll ungroup this, and then I'll select all of it together. So just select all and then click on group, or you can press Command plus G or Control plus G in your keyboard. Now it is grouped, and in this slide what I want is it should animate. So I'll click on animate, and here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some animation. So maybe like this, however you want the name slide to appear. Okay, so I don't remember how I did it in that one, because the video which I created I showed you in the first one. So right now I'm gonna apply any of the effect, any of the animation which I like. So let's go ahead and apply something. So yeah, I'll choose baseline for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna play it. Hi Canva, it's my Sheikh and I welcome you. So if you might have seen right now when I was playing, there were few glitches, right? So this is something which is there in Canva's editor for now. While you're editing it, you will see glitches, but when you download it and you hear it, it will not have glitches. So if I click on this play icon and show you, hi Canva, my name is Heena Sheikh and I welcome you all to the. It didn't had glitches as much as in the dashboard, in the editor tab, right? So that is there, but when you complete it, like when you have edited it and when you download it, you will see that video will not have any glitches. So let's complete it. So Heena Sheikh is there now. This introduction part is 100, and over here I want to add 100% in zoom. So here I'm just gonna press R again to add a rectangle, and I'll make this rectangle full size like this. I'll change its color to blue, and I'll add a text. So when you press T, text will be added, and here I'll write 100%, because in this part of the video I'm saying 100%, and I'll make it bold. I'll choose this font itself and I'll make it zoom like this. Let's resize it and place it somewhere over in the center. Okay, awesome. Now if I play this from here, this introduction part is 100% edited using Canva. Okay, so it's happening, but what I want to do is I want it to come in a animated way, like with some transition or something. So what I'm going to do is I want to animate this page. So I'll select this page itself, click on animate, and here I want it to be animated in such kind of way. So I'll choose some animation what I want. Okay, so again I'm liking baseline, so I'll again apply baseline. So like this it is gonna come, and you know when you click on baseline it is gonna be applied. If ever you have applied any animation to your video and you wanna remove it, you can click over here to remove. Okay, so that's how you apply and remove any animation, and I feel it's good now. So let's play it. You all to this YouTube channel. This introduction part is 100% edited using Canva, and at this point I want to show the logo of Canva. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to elements and I'll search for Canva, and you will find these different logos which are available. So I'll choose this one, and what I want is this logo to appear over here when I'm saying Canva. So now I want to animate it so that it comes and goes. So let's see which one was it. I think I'm gonna use drift for now. So let's use drift. Okay, and I'll play it again. This introduction part is 100% edited using Canva. All these transitions. Okay, so that Canva looks good to me now. Now let's go ahead and add transitions now, because at this moment I'm saying transitions, and in the next slide I'll say sound effects. So I want to add transitions. When I'm saying transitions, transitions should appear. When I'm saying sound effects should appear. So it's gonna happen when you have splitted your slides in that way. So you have to split your slides first. Like I added this video and then I splitted it, right? So this is what you need to do even. So let's add the transition. Here, now I'm gonna add transition. So I'll press T, I'll add the text, and the word is transitions, right? I'll just zoom it and I'll search for shapes, and let's choose a different shape. So I'm gonna choose this rounded with the rectangle with rounded corner, and I'll resize it. Let's resize it, and let's keep this text on it. So let's have the different color. So I'll have this color, and let's have this as black itself, and I want to keep some arrow or something over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll come again to elements and I'll search for arrow. Okay, like this. Let's find arrow. So which arrow we want to use? Let's use this one. You can choose any arrow or anything you want to use. Like this, I will use it. I'll resize it. Okay, and I'm gonna, yes, this looks good to me, and I'll copy it. Once I'm happy, I'm gonna copy it, because in the next slide I need it again. So I just copied it, and I'll even group it together, so that when you group it and when you apply the animation, it is applied to the entire group. So I have grouped this together. Now if I click on animate and if I apply, it's gonna come like this. So let's see which one I want it. I think this pan looks good, so let's apply pan. And in the next page, I wanna paste that again, and I'll keep it like this over here. And this time I'm gonna add the text as sound effects. So let's click over here and add sound effects. Okay, and apply the same animation over here as well, which is pan. Okay, first I need to check if it is grouped or not. I'll group it, and then I'll click on animate and then apply pan. Okay, so now let's see how it looks. Let me play. 100% edited Canva using all the sound effects. So if you were able to see, there were glitches, but trust me, when I'm gonna download it, once I'm done, it won't have glitches. Okay, so I think it's good. I'll proceed. Added in Canva itself. Don't believe. Okay, so at this point, I wanna add a GIF. So like when I'm saying don't believe me, so you can add GIFs in Canva. So all you need to do is come to the more section, the 3 dots, and over here you will find this Giphy. Just click on it, and here let's search for any GIFs. So I'll search for don't believe me. Let's search for this. And here you will see so many different the GIFs which are available. So let's choose one and add it. Okay, so I don't remember which one I added the last time, so I'll add any of the GIFs which I want to use. Yeah, this one, maybe this one for this time. I don't believe you. Okay, so it's perfect now, and at the end I can add any other clip. So at the end, what I did is I added another different clip of mine over here, so where I was saying let's go. So for now I don't remember where that clip is. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just press T, means add the text, and name it as let's go. So I'll just do that. So let's press T over here, click on the text and choose write let's go. Okay, and change its font to a bolder one. Again, let's make it all caps, change its color to white, and then I want to add a effect to this text. So I'll click on this effect. Because I want to add a outline to this text, I'm choosing effects, and here let's choose splice, and you have to make the offset as 0. The moment you make offset as 0, you can see a outline is added to this text. So now I'm gonna change this to black. Okay, awesome. So I'll just zoom it and keep it over here. It looks good to me. Now is the time, like since we have added all the text, we have applied few animations wherever we want it. Now is the time to add sound effects. So in Canva, you can even add sound effects. So whenever something is coming or something is going, you can add some sound effects like whoosh or some bell ring or something like that. So over here I want to add a YouTube icon, so I'll just add it, so that you know, in the video, mostly especially when you're editing a YouTube video, you often add, you know, a subscribe me icon, right? So that people tend to subscribe to your channel. And yes, if you're watching this video right now and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. So over here I'll just search for subscribe, and this is the one which I want to use it, so I'll just resize it a bit like this, and I'll place it over here. Okay, and I want this to animate a bit, so maybe I want it to pop up. Okay, so I'll apply pop animation over here. And now is the time to add sound effects. Like I was saying, to add sound effects you need to go to audio, and over here you will have to search for the different sound effects. So maybe at first when my name is appearing, I want a sound effect, so I'll search for whip, whoosh, swoosh. So this is the name of the sound effect which I have used in that video. So you can search for this. You can even search for whoosh or swoosh or whip. So these are the different sound effects. So I'll just search for this, and most probably this is the one which I have used. So at the start, let's add the sound effect when my name is gonna appear. So I'll choose a sound effect. So I'm liking this one. I'll just drag it and drop it. And where your cursor is there, like this, I don't know what to call it, I'm just gonna call it cursor. So where the cursor is there, the audio effect will be dropped right over here. So when I play it, so it's gonna play accordingly. So now my name is appearing along with that the sound effect is playing. Okay, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. And over here, when this subscribe now is coming, I want to add a audio wherein a person is saying subscribe now or something. So for that I'll just search for subscribe, YouTube subscribe. Let's search for YouTube subscribe, and I think this is the one. Subscribe now. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this and I'll place it over here, and let's play this video. Subscribe now. Okay, if you can see, this audio is very loud, and since I don't want this audio to be very loud so that even you know, my video voice is not audible, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, you know, when you click on this audio, you will see this volume button over here. You can reduce the volume, so I'll make it around 20ish or something, and now I'll play. Subscribe this introduction. Yeah, this looks pretty good to me. Now let's go ahead. And when this 100% is coming, again I want to add some kind of whip, whoosh or swoosh kind of audio. So I'll again search for that whip, whoosh itself. So I'll use this one. I'll drag it and drop it. And now let's play it. Part is 100% like this. So as you can see, it's perfectly timed, because at the start of the animation you need to drop the audio. Okay, so even when this Canva is appearing, it's a Canva. So when this Canva is appearing, that at that moment also you can add. So here I don't want to add now. All these yeah, now in place of this, all these transition, I want to add audio. So I'm just gonna come over here and add this swoosh like this. Over here, since we have already added a sound effect, now I want to add a sound effect in this slide as well. So when this I don't believe you comes in, I want some kind of music to play. So the audio which I want to add is piano. You can search for this, like it's piano trill music. So you can search for it, and this is the one which one I want to add. So I'll drag it and drop it like this. Okay, don't believe me? Like this. Let's go ahead and check it out how I did it, so that you can even do it. And when this let's go is coming, I again want to add some music. So I'll just search for some magical twinkle or something, and let's see if we are gonna find some audio. Yeah, I'll just add. Yeah, I want to add this one. Okay, so I'll just drag it and drop it. I'll just, you know, I can move it like this. Let's go. And since the sound is very loud, I want to decrease it. So I'll click over here, come to volume and decrease the volume like this. And let's play it now and see how it looks. Let's go. Okay, awesome. So I feel it looks good to me. And if you want to add any more transitions, so when you click on this plus icon and if you click on add transition, you will see these kind of transitions which are available in Canva. And you can even add these kind of transitions to any of the slide you want. For this tutorial, I'm not gonna add any of these transitions, but if you wanna do it, you can do it. The way is to click on this plus and then click on add transition. Okay. So I think this video is good to go for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this play and see. Hi Canvaholics, my name is Heena and I welcome you all. If you might have seen there were glitches, so I'll download it and then show you without any glitches. Let's click on download. I'll select MP4 and the page should be all. Make sure you select all pages, not just the one. And then click on download. Let's now wait for it to get downloaded. It's gonna take a few minutes. Okay, so the video is downloaded. Let's go ahead and see how it is. So I'm gonna open it. And this is the video. I'll just click on play to play it. Hi Canvaholics, my name is Heena and I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. Subscribe this introduction part is 100% edited using Canva. All these transitions, all the sound effects are added in Canva itself. Don't believe me? Let's go ahead and check it out how I did it so that you can even do it. Let's go. So as you can see, the video has turned out perfectly and the glitches which were there while we were editing in Canva are completely gone. So that is something which Canva really needs to work on. Maybe the thing is Canva keeps on adding new features and it is working currently on their video editor. So with Canva, I think even if while editing there are glitches, you can go ahead, download it and see how it is turning out. So since I knew about it, so I'm already telling you while editing, if you see any glitches, do not worry. So yeah, just download it and have a look. So this is how you edit videos in Canva, and you can edit any videos which you want. It can be for ads, it can be your YouTube video, any kind of videos which you want to edit. You can go ahead, just be creative with Canva and you can create some awesome videos in Canva. So that's it for this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video and do comment and let me know if you like this video and if you want more such tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you there in the next one.